What's going on, guys? Big Mike, the 717 Outlaw, here with you today. We are up here at the Tricky Triangle Pocono Raceway for the Eat, Sleep, Drift event. We're actually coming up here because a buddy of mine's running his E46 BMW with a 5.0 Coyote swap motor. Yeah, we're going to be getting a ride along and checking out this car and checking out some awesome drift events. It's supposed to be all day running, I think until 7 o'clock tonight, so let's get to the action.
She's running out of gas. Get your heart bumping.
Yeah. That sound. But anyway, guys, we are done up here at the Tricky Triangle, heading back home. Great day of events. It was a little hard to get footage on the GoPro, but still managed to get some footage on my phone. A lot of it was just because the tracks were a little bit farther away than what would have been preferred for a GoPro, because there's no zoom on these cameras. But anyway, good day of running. Got to do a couple laps in the 5.0 swapped E46. So overall, good day. I can't complain about it. Awesome ride. Car was a little sketchy. Like, it's just nuts that drifting, how much you have to throw those cars into the corners. It's a whole different breed of driver to do a drift car, but it was insane to get to experience it. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop any comments down below. And if you want to know anything more about the event, I would have stayed for a second day, but I only got a 1-day spectator pass. So tomorrow is a whole other day of events. I'm just heading home a little bit early. And don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that little bell next to that for notifications on the newest videos that will be coming out. And I'll be sure to get back to you guys in the next upload. Stay connected for the next little bit of this video. I have a bunch of photos and some pretty good action shots of some cars. But all right, go ahead and check out the pictures. I'll see you guys in the next upload.